Today, I'm going to solve one error which I received from the aspirant. Okay, what is the error? Like I'll enter your PO number 4600001129. This is the GR posting MIGO screen. So I'll take this screen like reference where you can see the moment type 101 and the plant is this and location is C003. So how this is picking up automatically based on the purchase order number. When you go to purchase order number, already plant number, locations are maintained. In case you find this plant and location is in description, always go to personal setting here, and here you should choose display key and then save it. Then you can see plant number and store location. So data, if you in case you have not entered here store location number in the PO time, then the MIGO screen you have to enter the store location manually. This will be done by the storekeeper in real time. Okay, this error which I'm going to show, it will not come in the production environment. Very rarely you can get it because all the testing for the process will be taken care, right? So definitely when you implement any SAP software or process P2P cycle like site material management, definitely MIGO activity will be done for all the maximum all the validation class, like on the material type, everything will test it. Okay, so it will not go to production level, this kind of issue. What issue I'll show you, this you may get during your implementation time, testing time. Okay, when you check it, so it is showing item, this is all okay. Okay, then I post it. So now it is coming this error. So I'm taking the screenshot and I'm documenting. So this will help to refer, even there is no video to refer, like quickly anyone can solve the issue by referring this. Okay, I'll just put here screenshot, and also I'll take the error details here. Okay, so this is like kind of standard error will come. So I'll just take this, I'll put the details here. Okay, okay, account determination for entry INT BSX. So here I'll use valuation class. So I can use XXXX 4-digit, not possible. Okay. Okay, this is the thing. So this is not required by tax case. Okay, so this is error. Okay, so how to solve this? So this is a MIGO screen. I'll just add MIGO. So enter PO number, purchase order number, and post. So this is the error you got. Okay, now like user or maybe that during testing time we'll get this error. How to solve it? Okay, so first thing you should understand. I'll get into SAP screen. So it is saying INT. INT is what? INT is chart of account. Okay, INT is chart of account. How to see that? I'll show you. Then what else? What next? BSX. BSX is what? It's a inventory. Inventory posting. Okay, in the sense you are receiving some 50 number quantity of laptop, so definitely it's a inventory going to increase, stock is going to increase, right? It's BSX. What about this 2 dash? Okay, there will be no proper valuation class or general modifier is not maintained. You can see chart of account and transaction key, okay, is equal to posting transaction. I'll put this here. Okay, see here BSX is inventory posting. Okay, I'll just put this in the bracket. Okay, then what else? Valuation grouping code. So valuation grouping code will be there. So that is missing. Okay, then what else? Account grouping code, and then valuation class. Okay, so what is the valuation class here? That is 0, 1, RF. This is the valuation class. Remove like this. Okay, transaction event key, chart of account. Like this, I'll put, it will be easy. INT. Then here it is BSX. Then valuation grouping code, I'll tell you how to see that, and account grouping code. Okay, then valuation class. Okay, now how to check this, these details from how to configure and how to fix this error, I'll explain. Now you should go to material master 75382. This is the material, and you have to go to accounting view. So here you can see valuation class. So I'll put this screenshot for more for the clear understanding. Okay, valuation class I added here. Now I should see the material type. Okay, material type is raw one. Someone customized this one. You know that this is like in a learning time, people will customize some random thing, right? So if in a real time, I will suggest like you should go with Z, Y prefix, like 0 or Y raw something. If any case customization of a requirement is like customized requirement. Anyway, I'll put this screenshot here. And I'll put note also in real time implementation time. Always create Z raw or Y raw. So that will give clarity that this is customized of ROH or some other material type. Okay. Copy from ROH material type. So laptop, this example laptop which you have they have taken is not any raw material. It is a kind of finished only. But during practice time, they'll add this kind of details. Okay. So I'll just put this in this screen. I'll just, okay. So there's the details in real time. You have to go with customized. Okay, now I'll get into, sorry, I'll get into the configuration level. How to see that configuration node? You have to go to SPRO, reference IMG, to go to material management, valuation and account assignment, account determination. So here, account determination without wizard. You can find define valuation control. This is already defined. Valuation grouping code as active. Next, grouping together valuation area. So here you can see what is the plant number. So you should get into the details of plant number. Or how I'll get the plant number. I'll go to ME23N and I'll add the PO number. So what is the PO number here? I'll just add the PO number. Purchase order 460000121129. Okay, copy this. Here get into PO and find out the plant number. Plant is AO1. Come down here. Anyway, this I'll just adjust later. Okay, here I'll just put plant number. Plant is AO1, and then company code is, what is the company code? You just go to header and then get the company code TGSC. Okay, now here you should identify the valuation area. See, valuation area is what? Here we have defined plant is the valuation area. So I should copy the plant number, enter here. So here valuation area is plant AO0, AO1 and TGSC. This is the combination, and chart of account is INT, right? So here there's no grouping. Valuation grouping code is not maintained, so not required to maintain in the configuration also. In case if you maintain any valuation grouping code, then it's different scenario. Okay, here it is not maintained, so I'll just copy the details from this particular configuration. I'll go for next configuration. So here I'll just come back. Then here define valuation classes. The define valuation classes, 3 things you should know. Okay, first thing is like, if you go to OMS2, so OMS2 will take little time because there are many entries are there in this OMS2, so that's why it is taking a little longer time. So before that, I'll just show you what is account reference category. The account reference category is like where you can define multiple reference category to group, like in the sense, example, you have a raw material type, but you want to use different account reference. Example, ROH is a raw material type. Okay, then you have to manage multiple account reference category to just differentiate the valuation class and how to get the GL account, all that details. Okay, so here I should identify first thing is that what is the account reference category. Okay, first I should know account reference category. Or material type. I should identify this one. Okay, so I got this OMS to screen now. First, I'll take the screenshot of this. This is the area where we are getting in, and identify account reference category for the material type. So that how you are doing. So you're getting into OMS2. So here you're finding raw one. Okay, then get into inside of this. So here raw one has account reference category is RF01. It's not standard 0001. Okay, so someone maintain this. Okay, take the screenshot of OMS2 and highlight this one. Okay, you got the reference account reference category for the material type RAW1. Okay, now you got this information. Now what is next? So here you can find that account reference category which is maintained, which is RF01. I can show you that someone configured it here, RF01. This is the description. Okay, now I have to see the valuation class. So valuation class is what here? It is okay. That is not okay. 01 RF. Okay, 01 RF is the valuation class. Here you get into valuation class. So see. So this 01F is linked with this reference category. This is the combination. Okay, check this whether it is rightly maintained. Okay, Then I'll add you this information here. Okay, then after this, okay, this is done. Then after that, so after checking all this combination, so this is done. So here, okay, this account reference category is done, validation class is done. Then here you should, okay, somewhere I just opened other screen. Let me close that. Material type is already open now. So if I open this OMS2, I cannot open this particular configuration. You can see, right? This user ID is already locked, so I cannot change. So I just close this particular screen. I'll come back and I'll get into this. Now it is working. Okay. So here I should type RAW1. So RAW1 is linked with account reference category. Okay, this is the linkage. Okay, you can see here. This is our account reference category. This is the material type. Okay, if you want more detailed explanation for account reference category, material type, and all, you can get it in the book also. If you refer an SAP press book, there they will give all this detailed information related to this. Okay. Now, after checking all these things, where you should get in. So these all done. You have to go to configure automatic posting, because define account grouping for movement types, all this not required. Get into configure automatic posting. Cancel it. Get into this account assignment. Here you should type Control F. So right, I have to get into the, I should get into this thing, INT. Okay, so here I should pass the INT configuration procedure. Okay, OBYC is a transaction. Okay, here I should pass the INT as a chart of account. Then once you get here, now this is the OBYC account, but it is for AUM transaction. I want to get into BSX. Okay, click on BSX here and then get into this option. Okay, INT BSX, the screen, and here there is no grouping code required because there is no, sorry, valuation modifier is not required, or valuation grouping code is not required, because as I explained in this screen, in this configuration, here there is no valuation grouping code. So in OBYC, not required to maintain valuation modification or valuation grouping code. So only you should maintain the valuation class and account. So what is the valuation class here? 01 RF, right? 01 RF. So here there is no 01 RF is maintained. 01 SF is there, 1000 is there, 1001 is there, like that. Okay. So here you should maintain account for, just copy the line and just maintain 01 RF and this GL account. Simple. Okay. Next time I will be explaining about valuation modification also. Today just this is enough to know about valuation class to maintain and GL account, how to get into the information of all the details of material master, then getting into material type, then checking the valuation class, account reference category, the linkage, valuation grouping code is maintained or not, how this valuation area, company code, chart of account is maintained. All this information you should know. That's it. So now after maintaining this, maintain this entry here, valuation class and account. Okay, then add here. Okay, then save it. Okay, that's it. These changes I have made. Now I'll get into MIGO and I'll add the purchase order number here. Everything is good. Check this item. Okay, check. So this is already processed by me only. I think someone is processing. Just a minute. Okay, someone is using already that view. Let me see. So already someone posted already. When I fix this error, right? So immediately someone changed that, like they went into a MIGO screen and posted. So if I get into ME23N, if I open this particular view, so this is already posted. See here, this is the time. You can see right, 10/3/2022. If I open this, just few seconds back, posted, because this data is fixed by me. Now someone is testing it, and then immediately it got posted. See, you can see this timing and all, right? Yesterday 9th, I think it is created with this user and entered by this 01319 was showing, right? Like someone is processing. Now it is got posted. That's it. So whenever you get such kind of error, please follow all these steps and then you can able to post it. Thank you.